So friend, we are going to talk about the Galaxy S25 FE display upgrade which no one is talking about. Samsung continues to save the bezels of the Galaxy S25 FE smartphones, though there is still more the company can do. The Galaxy S25 FE is here and Samsung is talking up things like One UI 8 out of the box, a bigger battery with faster charging and an upgraded selfie camera. But there's another change that deserves some attention, and that is the display bezel. For the first time on the fan edition phone, the Galaxy S25 FE comes close to matching the sleek look of its pricier siblings. The top and side bezels are almost as thin as those on the standard Galaxy S25 models, giving the phone a much more premium appearance, and the bottom bezel is still a little thicker, but Samsung has made it smaller than it was on the Galaxy S24 FE, and since the S24 FE had already cut down the bezel size compared to the S23 FE, this is now the second year in a row that Samsung has made progress on this front. And again, the bezels are not perfectly uniform yet, but there's definitely moving in the right direction, and for anyone who cares about such details and wants a more impressive viewing experience, this is a nice upgrade that makes the S25 FE feels less like a budget Galaxy and more like part of the main lineup. And what Samsung has not upgraded in the display panel itself, you still get a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1900 nits. That's noticeably lower than the 2600 nits brightness every non-FE Galaxy S phone has offered since 2024. But in real world use, legibility should be just fine. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.